We are no strangers to ice machine in this household. We have a few and we use them a lot. Now this thing is different. We hooked it up right away. We added some water and loved the fact that there is one single button. One single button to turn it on and to turn it off. That is it. So as soon as you turn it on, it will literally establish how much water you've put into it. And what I mean by that is the water basin is right there below. There is a max line. You will fill that and turn it on, and the water will cycle through the machine a couple of times, maybe 3 or 4 times. When that's done, the compressor starts and it will start making ice. Now, the first few pebbles we saw came out maybe 5 or 6 minutes into it. This can do 30 pounds of ice every 24 hours. Now, you might be asking, what is this? Well, this is it. These are the little pieces of ice, the little nuggets they call them. I love this in a cocktail, in a drink. It really will cool off any type of drink really, really quickly. And I love, this is the first time, I love that this little kind of like outlet right here is where those ice cubes or little pebbles are coming out. I think it's super cute. And it's also something to note that once, obviously the more ice there is in the basin, the longer or the fastest it will actually go and replenish, because this is not a refrigerating system. The compressor is what makes it cool, but once it hits this little basin, obviously it can melt. But there's no problems, because if you're not using the ice fast enough, it'll melt, but go back into the actual water basin and start the cycle all over again, which I think is really cool. The unit is a little heavy, but not too heavy to be completely portable. It's pretty quiet in terms of this. Right now, it is full blast working. We're outdoors almost. As you can see, everything is open here, and it is spitting ice on a matter of a few little nuggets of ice every like 30 seconds. It's actually pretty impressive. So yeah, this thing is really cool.